Hey, I'm doing a little bit of Wednesday night prep. So I've got my ground beef for breakfast and then my bacon onion saute stuff. Then I've got, I think this is 6 ounces of pork. And then this is the fried radishes that I did on the weekend. Got my coffee. So now I got to put my silverware in it. Okay, I got a big spoon and a little spoon. And I'll take this to work tomorrow. But I need to put it in the refrigerator. So let's find a spot. And maybe it can go right there. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see if the door will close. Hang on. Ta-da! Okay, so we got that. Now, it's Wednesday, and last week I waited till Thursday and nothing defrosted. So I'm set out my stuff for the weekend. I've got enough food to get me through this week and then into Wednesday. So, I'm just kind of doing a little partial. But I've got these top sirloins that I had got on sale because it was about to expire. And I've got, what is this? Sirloin steak center cut that I got on sale. Saved a whole dadgum $1. Whoop, whoop. And then my 93%, that's for my breakfast. And then I've got a top sirloin steak. I saved $2.91 on that one. And then I've got 2 pork steaks. Like I said, I'm still trying to empty out my one freezer. So, other than this, I will continue to buy because that's just a constant. And then this was a pork loin that I tied up and planned. I had big plans for that. I was going to stuff it with stuff, but yeah, no. So anyway, so I'm putting all this out on these pans. I've got them covered and I'll put them in the refrigerator. And this is all getting ready for our meal prep on Saturday. So stay tuned till Saturday to see how we do with our meal prep. It barely fits, but it fits. So that'll be sitting in my refrigerator waiting for Saturday. So, and then I'll grab my lunch tomorrow with my coffee. And my thing's too short. I can't fit those coffees. They gotta lay down. Hey, wait a minute. This one might fit down here. Okay, that one fit. That's promising. Maybe I could fit this other one down here. Oh yeah, that's good. I just didn't like the liquid laying down. All right, so yeah, I got 3 days left up there, and then that's the broth for the dogs, and then other stuff in there, and so yeah. So all right, on with the day. Good morning. It is Thursday morning, and my hair is obviously still damp, and this is what I'm eating. I got my ground beef and my bacon and onion saute stuff. You saw me pack up my lunch last night, so I'll just show you as I'm eating it today. Bye. Lunch today, I've got the sauteed radishes that I did this past weekend and my pork steak that I did this past weekend, and that is my... Okay, so supper tonight is simple. My pickled veggies that I did last weekend. And this is where this comes in handy. I knew it was steak bites, but all I had to do was look at the lid. 7 ounces of steak bites, so I'll plug that into chronometer. And I've already microwaved it. So that's supper tonight. Steak bites and my pickled veggies. And that's what I got for the day, y'all. Have a good night. And this weekend we'll get our meal prep. And there's my macros for the day. Have a good night.